Subscribe to our channel. 3D Electric Fireplace Stove by Kismile. Review. Are you looking for safe and portable electric fireplace stove with safe and convenient operation and realistic flame effects? Lightweight and freestanding fireplace stove by Kismile with infrared heating method make the heating more effective and speedier. Why choose 3D infrared electric fireplace stove by Kismile? Kismile, elegant design, small size, and lightweight home heater, is very portable and is easy to carry around. The heat output makes it suitable to heat small to medium-sized rooms with two heating modes of 1000 watts and 1500 watts. Effective and economical heating is done by using far infrared heating method that makes the heating more effective and speedier. Overheating safety system and thermostat make heating more convenient, safe, and trustworthy. The maximum noise will not exceed 40 decibels, so it will not disturb you while resting or working. This electric fireplace stove is easy to install. You only need to install 4 feet to make this fireplace stove freestanding. Perfect, 3-sided design allows you to enjoy the realistic fire visual effect, no matter the angle you are watching the fire. And the retro design adds ambience to your sweet home. This fireplace stove can be great gift for elderly or family due to its simple and convenient operation. The multiple functions of heater are operated by the convenient control with clear division of labor for each key. As a safety measure, the heater will automatically shut off when falling down or overheating to avoid accident. Kismile 23-inch infrared electric fireplace stove. Pros and cons. Pros: beautiful design and great heat output. Looks like a real wood fire. Simple, efficient, attractive, lightweight, and produces just the right amount of heat for a small to medium-sized room. Easy to assemble. Affordable price. Great deal for your money. Cons: not to be used on carpet. Better packaging is needed for safe shipping. Not for outdoor use. Kismile 23-inch infrared electric fireplace stove. By features: easy to use, 9.5. Easy to assemble, 9.5. Heat output, 9.5. Durability, 9.4. Value for money, 9.5. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Portable and lightweight heater. The materials used keep the product strong and reduce the weight to 17.6 pounds. Size is only 23.6 by 12.6 by 22.5 inches, which means that the product is very portable. 2 heating modes of 1000 watts and 1500 watts can meet every heat demand. Multiple functions and controls. Thermostat used to make the room temperature adjustable. Flame effect can be controlled independently. Flame dimmer control for the brightness of the flame effect. Overheating safe device, 180 degrees of observation, the air outlet, at the bottom of the stove. Effective and economical heating. Far infrared heating method make the heating more effective and speedier. Heating quickly, just in 1 second, and this stove can heat up to the room of 400 square feet. The heating and capacity factor can be controlled to fit any heat requirement and weather. User-friendly design. Made of spiral, exquisite, and lovely door handle, has a comfortable grip. The tempered glass magnetic door is effective and close tight. Easy to install, detachable foot, increases stability. The control panel is simple and easy to operate without remote. Safe, air outlet, and overheating protection. 3D infrared fireplace heater is more safe than the heating method of the traditional heater. Air outlet at the bottom of the stove helps effectively avoid overheating and high temperature hazard of the fuselage. 100% satisfaction guarantee towards any problems of the product. Based on over 670 customer reviews and an overall 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Portable, freestanding fireplace stove by Kismile is easy to install with user-friendly design, very quiet, and completely safe for your kids or pets around. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Works and looks great. It puts out a nice amount of heat and can warm up A medium-sized room, but stays cool to the touch. Very happy with my purchase. Easy to set up. Arrived earlier than expected. The flames and glowing embers look beautiful. The glass and metal door help the effect. The heater fan does make a low fan noise. It is soft, and I find it relaxing. It's about the same level as our regular home heating vents. Says WM1. 5 stars. So warm and so quiet. I paid $80 for this electric fireplace, and I'm so happy. I love the ambient glow from the fake flames. I love that it doesn't get hot on the top or sides, but safe for my carpet, rug. But still heats up my rooms fast. It's so quiet. I work from home full time, and no one can hear it on my conference calls or Zoom meetings. Also, my dogs love laying in front of it, like a real fireplace. 30+ day update. Happy to report, my electric bill is the same with previous space heaters. I'm still so happy with this purchase. Says Haley Iden. 5 stars. Just right. Looks great, and fits our needs perfectly. Sometimes, you just know you made the right decision. Getting this heater was just right. The size is perfect, between racks of drawers. The open sides gets us a wave of the fire from our bed. The thermostat works perfectly, and details, like the metal brass handle, offers that little extra, which take it from good to great. It's quiet, compared to the old and too wide heater we had there. And we enjoy it so much every day and night in our bedroom. Really gets you in the mood. This is a winner at a decent price. Says Christian Disthy. 3 stars. Works well for a larger area. This unit works very well to heat a room. The only problem would be, even at the lowest setting, it gets too warm. And you have to shut it off. Says Lori Davis. 1 star. It is not an infrared heater. Not anywhere on the operating manual, product box, or product item does it say that it is an infrared heater. I wanted something efficient. This is not going to be any cheaper to use than my baseboard heaters. Says Belinda. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.